Yeah, it looks pretty damn sick, yo. I would leave it too. Let me look at the inside. Oh my god, the colors are so nice. Yay! A new car for me to crash. Just kidding.
That's where you brought it from.
Wow. You think Italia's gonna like it?
Yeah. That's a new one, yeah. So it's like a smaller version of the...
It's a Berlinetta.
It doesn't drive like that.